guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. My name is Cynthia. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make this long dress with a slanted shoulder or one shoulder. So I have my fabric here. I have 2 yards of fabric. I will fold my fabric into 2. I'm cutting out the front and the back together. I will fold it again like so into 4. I have my fabric folded into 4. I used a quarter of the hip measurement to fold the fabric and added 2 inches to it. The length of my dress is 60 inches. So go ahead and place the measurement. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. I will add ½ inch for sewing allowance, that is 8.5 inches. I'll mark 8.5 inches here. I will mark 4 inches for the neck width and 3 inches for the neck depth. I'm using the same neck depth for the front and the back. I will connect the line. I will go to the side and mark 1 inch for shoulder slope. Connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. I will place the armhole measurement. To get your armhole measurement, you divide your bust measurement by 6 plus 1.5 inches. The one I'm using is 8 inches. Right on the armhole, I will still place the shoulder measurement and connect it up. I will connect it up. This is the chest line. I'll place the bust measurement right on this chest line here. A quarter of the bust measurement is 10.5 inches. The fabric is a very stretchy fabric. You're not supposed to add sewing allowance to it, but I just need to add it. If it's too big, I will reduce it. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance and add 1 inch for ease. The dress is a free dress, so altogether is 2 inches. I will look for the midpoint of this 8 inches. That's 4 inches. I'll connect it. Right on the midpoint here, I will come inside by ½ inch. This is the front armhole. This is the back armhole, and this is the front armhole. So from shoulder to waist is 17.5 inches. From waist to hip is 9 inches. Make a straight line here. I will place a quarter of the waist and a quarter of the hip measurement. This is the waistline. A quarter of the waist measurement is 8.5 inches. I will add 1 inch for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 2 inches. So I'll go to the hip line and mark a quarter of the hip measurements plus extra 2 inches. 1 inch for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So a quarter of the hip measurement is 11.5 inches. I'll add extra 2 inches to it. That's 13.5 inches. So I have 13.5 inches here, right on the hip measurement. I will go to the length of the dress and still mark 13.5 inches. I will connect the lines. I will connect it from the chest to the waist. From the waist, I will bring it to the hip. So I will take it all the way to the length. From the hip, I will bring it all the way to the length of the dress. I'll go ahead and cut it out. And cut out the neckline. I added ½ inch for sewing allowance at the upper part here. So I'll bring the front side out and cut out the armhole. I will cut out this ½ inch for the armhole. So I'll go ahead and cut out the sleeves. The dress is very easy to make. So I'll fold my fabric into two. I'm cutting out the sleeve. So the sleeve length is 10 inches. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance, that's 11 inches. I will mark 11 inches here. So I will place 9 inches here. 8 inches is the armhole measurement. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance. I will go down by 4 inches. The sleeve is not tight. For the lower part, I'll be using 16 divided by 2, that's 8 inches. I'll connect it like so and bring it down. Cut it out. I'm cutting out 2 of these. One side of the shoulder is a little bit slanted or is a little bit off. So I will join the dress and the sleeve first before cutting out one side of the shoulder. So you're going to be joining the dress. I will lay the front and the back against each other, right side facing right side. I will use 1/2 inch to join the shoulders and use 1 inch to join the side. One side of the dress will be open. I will be making a slit there. I will leave about 20 inches open on one side. I will stitch it up to here and leave this side open. You can choose any side of your choice. I will also use 1 inch to join the sleeve, and I'm not hemming the lower part here. The service is quite good. I will just use 1 inch to stitch the side of the sleeve, both sleeves. So guys, I'm done joining the dress. I left this side open. I will hem both sides. I've also joined the sleeves. I would like to join the sleeve before cutting out one side. So I will turn my dress to the wrong side. This is the right side of the sleeve. I will tuck it inside. Match the side seam together. Right side facing right side. I will use 1/2 inch to join them together. I will do the same thing for the side. So guys, I'm done attaching the sleeves to the dress. I will be cutting out one side. If you like, you can cut out the side first and cut out the sleeve before attaching the sleeve to it. But I just want to do it this way. I want to attach the sleeve to it. Just cut this side out and then hem the neckline. So I'll be cutting this side. I have my slit on my right side. I will cut out the left side of the shoulder. From up, I will mark 3 inches down. From up, I will connect the 3 inches like so. Connect the 3 inches. Bring it to the sleeve side. So I'm cutting out this side. I'm cutting it like so. I'll cut out the sleeve. Come down 3 inches. I'll just connect it from here, from the midpoint here. So this side is slanted. I will go and hem it round. I will fold 1/2 inch twice and hem it round. So guys, I finished hemming the neckline. We are done with the dress. So I cut out about 9 inches strap. And this is optional. It's 1.5 inches folded into 2. I use a 1/4 of an inch to stitch it and turn it inside out. You will attach it here. It's optional. So I don't know if I will be attaching this. Then you take this to the back side. You place it inside. You just put it on one side. This is about 3 inches away from the armhole here. You can also add the buttons here. You can add buttons here if you like. We are done with the dress. The savage is good. I didn't hem the lower part, I only hem the side. So that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and share this video. Subscribe if you're here for the first time. See you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.